What's up, traders from around the world? Okay, really quick, this is the 5-account challenge. So I opened up an account with right around $5,000. I think somehow I missed $10 or something, but it doesn't matter. I bought a call today, so let me just explain why. And this is the first trade that I've made thus far. The key, in my opinion, to trading small accounts is just don't take that many trades. Focus in, get really intent on what you're trying to trade, and just get after it. So for me, right now, the way I'm playing this is my stop loss, I will get out below this bull candle if Tesla goes down there. And I'll lose about $1,000 on this account if that happens. And my goal is for obviously Tesla to break above, bounce off the 200 simple, and hopefully take out this resistance and go higher. So what I did is I definitely bought an option with some time on it. So I went all the way out till August. And you'll notice I bought the August 640 call. So just a little bit out the money, nothing crazy, just a tad out the money. Total cost was pretty much my entire account value buying this particular option. But again, I can have stops on options. I don't have to risk my entire account on this trade. I don't think that Tesla's going to go to zero between now and August. And if we take out and close below the low of this bullish candle, then I'll get out of that trade. And if we can realistically bounce and pop off of this 200 simple, and especially if we can trade up into like 640 or 650, I expect this particular option will double in value. And if that can happen, I'll be home free. So that's kind of my goal. We will see. I'll keep you guys all posted. But anyway, first update, first trade. That's it for me. And I'll keep you guys posted. You rock.